Good afternoon. Well, as you can see, I'm doing 2 eggs. Now, I've tried 3 times to do a prank on Mel, and 3 times she's noticed the camera because I didn't set them up very well, and it didn't work, so I couldn't do it because, as you probably are aware, I don't set pranks up. I try and do them properly. So what's happening with this prank is, I mean, I don't think Mel's that stupid to fall for it, but I mean, it's such a stupid prank that I saw it the other day on YouTube and I thought I'll try and do that on Mel, because it was 2 Filipinos doing it. Sorry, Filipina and a Filipino. So basically I'm going to try and get Mel to crack the egg on her head. Now, why the hell she would do that, I just don't know. Now my egg's going to be hard boiled, but she's going to think her egg's hard boiled as well, but I'm going to swap it with something that's not hard boiled, and we'll see what Mel does. It should be quite funny, guys, but we'll see what happens. She's not here. I think she's in the shop. Oh, hold on.
What you doing?
Oi.
What's that?
Hard boiled eggs.
You hungry?
Well, not really. I'm doing it because I'm going to do a magic trick.
Magic trick?
Yeah. Are you going to help me?
No.
Why?
It's the last time that you said you have like magic trick, and then what happened? The water, you remember that?
Yeah, I remember the water, yeah.
Oh, you don't want later na I make you malunggay?
Yeah, just make it later. That's alright. Gotta do these. So you're not going to help me then do the trick? It's 2 hard-boiled eggs and some water.
No.
Oh, go on. No, you're going to help me, aren't you?
No, I don't want. Do what you said.
Well, why is it I've got to participate in your blinking BS?
You remember the last time that you make a magic trick and what happened? Oh.
Yeah, can you remember the last time you did with the blood?
No, it's different.
Yeah, but this is actually a magic trick.
No, I don't want.
Oh, whatever. Right, guys, the eggs are boiled. I've put them in cold water for a bit to cool them down. The other egg is warm as well. I made sure it's warm, so it's going to feel the same as the ones I've just boiled. So I'm gonna replace that one. She's in the front room on her phone. I'm gonna replace this one, well, whichever, with the one that hasn't been hard boiled. I don't think this is going to work, but we'll see. She's got agreed to do it, yet she won't do it, so I'm gonna have another word with her. Now I'm gonna have to get a little bit firm with her, so don't get offended. Oi!
There's another positive again in Naga.
There's another what? Positive?
Yeah.
Well, that's nothing new, is it? Look, babe, are you gonna do this trick?
No, I miss.
No, seriously, babe, are you gonna do
I
it?
don't want.
Go on, Mel. I'd do it if you asked me to do it, wouldn't I? I'd be suspicious, but this is just a trick, and you love it. You know.
You really love it. How about like the last time that you said, "Oh, it's nice. It's gonna be a nice trick."
Yeah, well, I tell you what. Give you 500.
Huh?
Give you 500
What's that?
to do the trick with me.
Are you joking?
No.
Give me the. Of course, give me the 500 then.
No, I'll give it after the trick.
No, give it to me now.
Why?
To make sure that you will give me 500.
God, you're actually going to take that off me?
Let's go. What trick?
Well, I'll have to set it up because we need to get the table out.
Explain to me what's gonna do. What's gonna happen?
It's called the unbreakable hard-boiled egg.
Unbreakable heart.
Yeah.
Whatever.
You're going to end up... Well, you've got to follow my instructions all the time, right? That's the deal. I've just given you 500 pesos. That's the deal, right?
What?
You've got to follow my instructions.
What instruction?
The instructions I give you. Don't... God, you always make things hard.
Then.
Okay.
But make sure you... The 500, it's mine or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, I don't know. Right, there's the egg that's not hard boiled, so I've got to swap it with one of them. So that's cool now. I don't want to get them wrong. So look, I haven't got a clue what I'm doing, right? And I don't think Mel's gonna do it. So when we both oh sorry. Bugger. That was a bit too much. I might have to do that one again. Wash it out and just put a little bit in. I don't want to be ill. And it's too much. It's a different colour. She'll notice, I know she will. So basically I'm just gonna muck about and then get her to drink the water. And she's gonna spit that out. And then we're gonna do the egg bit and hopefully she'll hit it on her forehead. And that'll be quite funny. I'll get her back for the blood thing. Salt. So she's still on her phone. I've put the table out there. And I know she's suspicious. But anyway, I'll just have to drain that cup and put a little bit more fresh water in. So see you in a moment. So guys, we're calling this one the hard-boiled egg magic trick. And basically, because of how I've cooked the eggs and how I've cooled them down, this won't crack, right? So when you hit yourself on the head, doesn't matter how hard you do it, this isn't going to crack, right? You what? What's wrong now?
It looks like you're gonna make me stupid.
It looks like I'm going to make you stupid.
Yeah.
No?
So what?
It's a trick, but we've got to use the water and stuff. So you've got to do everything.
Are you sure it's a trick?
It's a trick, yeah.
If it's not, I will kill you.
It's, look, you...
Because the last time that you did the word before, you said it's tricks, but not.
Well, of course it's a trick, but it's a funny trick as well. It's really funny, right? So, without further ado, let's get started. So first, pick the water up, put it in your hand like this, right? Do that. Keep going round. It's very important. Come on, you've got to do it properly. Are you doing it properly? You're not doing it properly. Alright? Do it like that.
And then.
Alright? Right, now say, as it's going round your head, go hocus pocus.
Focus.
Focus, focus. No, I'm not going to spill it on the bed.
Focus, focus.
No, hocus pocus.
Hocus pocus. Whatever!
Hocus pocus. No, you've got to do it right. Hocus pocus.
Focus, focus.
Hocus pocus. That'll do. That'll do. Right, now, after the third turn, bang on the table twice and drink it. Right? Straight down, all of it, yeah?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
You put salt!
I don't know how that got into there, babe, honest. Why did you spit it out?
It's disgusting. Oh, you tried it to taste.
No, it's alright.
It's disgusting. Is it that's it?
No,
Is
that's
it
on the
not-
eggs, yeah. I don't know how that happened, honestly. I don't know how that happened, babe.
It's disgusting.
No, well, we've got to
So-
go through it properly, otherwise the trick doesn't work. I'm telling you, it doesn't matter how hard you hit your head with this egg, it won't break. Right? You watch, right? So again, pick the egg up. You can feel it's hard, yes?
Yes.
Do that. Right. Okay. Hocus pocus. Hocus pocus. Come on, you've got to do it. It's not going to work.
I can.
Come on. You said you'd cooperate. I want me 500 back.
Focus. Focus. Focus.
Pocus pocus. What's this?
Focus.
Pocus pocus. Right. So on the third time, round your head. 1, 2, 3.
And
then you hit your head, right? It won't crack. Trust me, it won't crack. After 3. 1, 2. Hocus pocus.
Focus. Focus.
3. It shouldn't have broken. I can't believe you did that. I cannot believe you fell for that.
You said it's boiled.
This one's boiled. Well, sort of. This.
Is it a prank?
Yeah. It's took me, this is the 4th time I've tried to get you back. I cannot believe you were so stupid to fall for that.
Because you said it's boiled.
Yeah.
I saw you boiled that and then you changed it. It's alright, I have 500. But when I did to you, did you get money? No, so it's alright.
So guys, I eventually got her back.
Revenge back.
Yeah.
It's so bored. Stink the egg.
So that's it till the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. So to you, babe, and your
Yeah, you
eggy
enjoyed
head.
it. I'm not enjoying.
I enjoyed it a lot.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Bye. You stink.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.